Since being diagnosed with type 1 diabetes 10 years ago, Laurie Brake has challenged herself to get fit and active.
Well, I kind of had the mindset when I was first diagnosed of, oh no, well, I can't really do a lot of things because I have diabetes. And a few years ago I made the decision that I was going to control my life and my diabetes and not allow it to influence everything that I did. So rather than sitting back and watching other people do stuff, be active and get out, that I would take on the challenge. Have a healthy lifestyle myself, as well as promoting it for others.
A member of the Canadian Diabetes Association's Team Diabetes fundraising program, Laurie has run in marathons in Hawaii and Disney World.
When I went to Hawaii, there was 106 people that traveled with Team Diabetes to that event, and there was 4 of us that actually had diabetes, whether it was type 1 or type 2. So there was a number of people that signed up for personal reasons. They had some connection to diabetes, so it was a great support system.
Team Diabetes offers its members the chance to be active in exciting destinations around the world as they raise funds to fight diabetes and promote healthy living.
They have different international as well as different Canadian marathons, so you pick which you want to go to, and they tell you what the fundraising goal is. So to go to Disney, it was $4,700, and I've raised about $5,900 to $6,000. So you have to make the fundraising commitment and raise that. If you don't raise that, then you have to pay the difference if you want to go. It allows them to get that money that they wouldn't have had, as well as promoting the association and getting the message out there about diabetes and the awareness around it and promoting the healthy lifestyles. They do help you with training, so they don't take your money and send you down there without any backup. So they put you through a program, you have different options. As well, we have team trainers that'll go down and support us through the event.
What's one of Laurie's biggest challenges in training to run a marathon?
Motivation, because it's much easier to find a reason not to than it is to get up and go. So.